Before I start with the video, I want to talk about what's going on with the Chase Elliott video I posted here after the Cup Series Atlanta race. I shared my opinions and point of view on this topic, and I've had people who have disagreed with me. I respect those people's opinions, and they have been nice and explained why they don't agree with me. On the other hand, I've had people that have hated me for absolutely no reason. The hate is obviously coming because they like Chase Elliott. I have no problem with that. People saying I don't know racing, that I should just close my channel, saying I hate Chase Elliott, which I do not, saying I'm an effing stupid, and I've also had one call me by the R word. You know, the word Kyle Busch used last year to call up Brad Keselowski, and that is not nice. I've decided to keep going forward, but it's sad to know that ignorant people like this can go out and hate on people that deserve more respect than me and not know what they're dealing with. They don't know that person's mental health. So I just want all of you to be nice and treat others how you want to be treated. Sorry for delaying this video, but I had to say it. Let's get back to the main topic. NASCAR has announced a brand new street race that will occur during the July 1st to 2nd weekend in the NASCAR Cup Series, replacing Road America's date. NASCAR hosted an iRacing event at this virtual street course on the 3rd of June of 2021, using the virtual next-gen cars, or the Gen 7 if you will. This race saw James Davidson lead every lap from start to finish and win his second NASCAR iRacing Pro Invitational race. The Chicago event fits the recently cast mold of innovative additions to the Cup Series schedule, following the lead of bringing back dirt track racing at Bristol Motor Speedway and the first ever Busch Light Clash at the Coliseum earlier this year in Los Angeles. NASCAR's top division will run on city streets for the first time in proximity to many windy city landmarks, including Grant Park, Buckingham Fountain, and the edge of Soldier Field. Iconic street names, Michigan Avenue and Lake Shore Drive, will be a part of the 2.2-mile layout. Here is the track map for you to see. NASCAR officials indicated that the rest of the Cup Series, Xfinity Series, and Camping World Truck Series schedule will be released at a later date. Only a handful of Cup Series dates have been revealed for 2023. Tickets are on sale for the season opening Daytona 500, scheduled for February 19th. A return to the LA Coliseum for the preseason Busch Light Clash exhibition is set for February 5th. I personally think that this race will be fun to watch. Everyone was unsure on whether or not the Busch Clash would be a success, and many people liked it, including myself. I don't like the idea of replacing Road America because it is a great racetrack in my opinion, and hosted two amazing finishes in the NASCAR Xfinity Series and the NASCAR Cup Series this year, with Tyler Reddick winning his first ever career race. NASCAR will go back to Chicago after being absent from it from 2020 to this year. Chicagoland Speedway hosted the series from 2001 to 2019. Although it had a date for 2020, the pandemic forced the date to be removed from the schedule. I don't like what NASCAR has done with Chicagoland Speedway on its recent ads. They have deleted Chicagoland from the branding, as it was never a thing. It never existed. I really liked Chicagoland Speedway. I personally think that even having the date in 2020, NASCAR would still remove it for 2021. It might not be gone forever, but construction planned around the track might say no otherwise. It is still being kept in good condition, so hopefully NASCAR decided to come back to this facility in the future. For the Chicago street race, I think it might turn out good because it will be the first street race for the Cup Series, and by it being on the streets, the track might play out very differently. Some Cup drivers who attended the iRacing event last year, like William Byron, said that they would like to participate in the real-life streets of Chicago, with Byron saying that it was fun for him. There you have it. NASCAR dropped some big news by releasing this, and we'll have to see whether or not the race will be like this year's Busch Light Clash and entertain us and the drivers, or be a snooze fest the entirety of the race and the drivers not liking it at all. If you like my content, make sure to let me know with a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you won't miss any of my future NASCAR content. Stay safe, be nice, and have yourselves a fantastic day.